oven, baby, let me crumble your cookie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Therealchocobre, and today I'm doing a clean with me video. Nothing special, you guys. I'm not gonna be showing you guys what type of products I use and stuff like that. This video, I did not do that. If I do another clean with me video, I'll definitely be showing you guys what products I use as I go along as I clean. But I'm definitely gonna show you guys or let you know what I use when I do clean as I go along. So right now I am cleaning off the dining table because the dining table sometimes are filled with like teacups, and as you can see, the water bottles are there. My sweater is there that I wear at work. When I come home from work, I drop everything on that table and I go along with my day. There's a crimper there because I was crimping my wig at the time before I did the video that I have on my head. So yeah, I definitely put that there. Right now I am cleaning the living room. My son, he is very much with these toys and he doesn't care. He would travel with these toys from the kitchen to the living room to the dining room. His toys are everywhere in the house, my bedroom. It is ridiculous. But the main place he does play with his toys is the living room. So this is why you guys see most of the toys there. His toy box is right behind the couch. So I am cleaning up the floor. I'm trying to make him help me. As you guys can see, he's putting the candles back because he uses the candles to play with his toys as well. I do not know why. Do not ask me. Right now, I am cleaning up the rest of his toys. Here I go, vacuuming. I do not know what type of vacuum that is. As you can see, my son is wilding on the couch. He has a he has a thing with the vacuum. He thinks that thing is gonna get him. I don't know why, but I guess it's the noise is too much for him. So I am vacuuming and I am sweeping up the rest of everything that the vacuum didn't get. I think I did that ass backwards, but I'm not sure. Maybe did it backwards, maybe didn't. Some people sweep before they vacuum. I vacuum or whatever else that the vacuum didn't catch. I'm gonna use my broom and make sure I catch it. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, getting the rest of whatever the vacuum did not get. And look at my child helping me. Such a doll. Look at him helping me. Amazing. Amazing. He takes that broom with him whenever he sees me sweeping. This is what he does. So yes, I'm just sweeping up around the area, dining room, living room, making sure that everything is cleaned up. I am now wiping off the table. So yeah, I removed everything from the table and now I am cleaning it off. Making sure that the table is clean and making sure there's no marks, no sauce on the table, no dried up anything. Just making sure that everything is clean. I have to put those back because those are supposed to go on the table. And those are back intact. So next we are definitely gonna go to mop around. So I'm gonna throw this dirty water out. Right now I am mopping. I forgot what that mop is called and I forgot what the bucket is called, but it came together on Amazon. Everything that I'm using, I'm definitely going to drop in the description box once I find out what they're called on Amazon, and go ahead and check because this mop is so good. All you got to do is put it in the bucket. You press it, it spins it, and the water drains out on its own. So that one is a 10-10. That's a win-win. The kitchen. Here we go with the kitchen. Just washing these dishes. I usually put a little bleach in my soap when I wash the dishes because I don't know what it is, you guys. I don't like going to people's house and I can actually, you wash your dish, but why do I smell what you made in it? That don't make no sense. I don't like that. So I don't like that. So I'm going to make sure I clean my stuff with bleach to make sure that smell is gone. Buy some good soap. Don't buy no 99-cent soap because that clearly is not going to work. maybe you should buy some Dawn or Gain or something. I don't know what the other brand is called. Something with a P. Palmolive. Whatever it's called, that's what y'all need to be using, because at the end of the day, like, it's not good to have your dishes smelling like what you made and you out here just picking it up trying to make something else. Like, I don't want to pick up a dish and I want to make something and I smell cup of noodle. Like, I'm gonna get mad because I already know what you made. I mean, you didn't wash the dish right. So yeah, I'm done going off now. You guys, those are ice trays, by the way. The blue and black thing, those are ice trays. My sister, she be getting fancy, so you know, she be buying these little fancy stuff. So I am washing out the sink right now because I am done washing dishes, and oh, that wasn't so hard, it wasn't so bad, but I did make it. I made it. I wipe off the top of the counter with Clorox bleach after I'm done. I just have a strange thing with just using that because it makes it just, I just feel like things are cleaner when Clorox gets involved. So yeah. Oh, we're onto the stove. This is nice. So yeah, it's the stove now. So I actually do not have a I don't think I had a cleaning product that I use to wash this off. I'm telling you, this is so ghetto. Oh my God, it's so ghetto. But it's okay. So we're gonna go through this ghetto cleaning video. Ha! Feel me? But anyways, so yeah, I think that's soap and water. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like, that's soap and water right there. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Like, I feel like a lot of people do not wash or wipe their stoves, and in my house, like, we're a little, like, you know, like, we understand that, like, ovens and stoves need to be clean. Those need to be clean, because if something sets on fire, just like you guys, like, even dryer, like your dryer, if you keep them in, like, if you don't clean out, like, the lid, like, it could set on fire. So you guys need to be, like, very aware of stuff like that. So, like, your oven, you got to make sure you clean it out well. My oven didn't need to clean, so I didn't clean it out at the time because we barely use the oven in my house anyways. That teapot is so cute. Look at it, just stare. Clean stove, clean sink, you feel me? Can't go to somebody's house and everything is looking mad dirty. That is disgusting. I've witnessed that with my own eyes, and that's not it. Cleaning out the tub. I'm cleaning out the tub because it's just better. You ever, like, clean your bathroom and you take a shower and you just feel like, oh, you just feel so good for the day? That's exactly how I feel. Like, as soon as I do all of that, I feel so good. So you guys, I definitely did finish cleaning out the bathroom. At the time, I did not record it all because it wasn't really much to see. The camera doesn't angle well in my bathroom, so it was a lot. I might have to just bring, like, my tripod and stuff in the bathroom. But yeah, that's why I don't angle very well in my bathroom when I'm recording. But right now I am in my bedroom. I am trying to get rid of all my, well, as you guys seen, I just got rid of my my winter clothes out of there, the closet. So right now I am taking off the comforter and, you know, the sheets and blanket off my bed, fitted sheets, because you need to change them. That's that, like, unless you're dirty. So, oh, look at me, mother duties, and I'm still cleaning up and doing other things. But yeah, oh, I kind of look nice here. Yes, sis. Looking nice in your little Amazon outfit. You feel me? Yo, I see so much girls with this outfit. Like, I need some more colors. Making my bed right now. Y'all see my bed? My bed fire, right? Thank you. My room is a vibe. Nobody's gonna ever tell me my room is not a vibe, because it is. So yeah, no, just putting down my sheet. I didn't use my gray sheet because, first of all, my gray sheet, I love it. Like, I'm actually laying on it right now. But yeah, I love my gray sheet. And I don't understand why, you know, like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. So I am using this white. I used the white sheet instead because at the time my gray sheet was in the washing machine, so I couldn't use it, and it stays damp for like a day. this was my first little clean with me video. It wasn't long, but you know, it was something. But I do thank you guys for watching, because you know it's about to end now, and that's me fixing my son's bed, because you know if I fix my bed, my son's bed has to get fixed too, and everything in the room has to be clean. But yes, you guys, thanks for watching. That is the end here. Let me take these stuff downstairs because they all garbage, right? Bye.
Look, come here, baby, let me crumble your cookie.